Imagine yourself in this 2001 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission.
Run all over town without worrying about filling up.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, power mirrors.
The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.